Hey there everyone, it's me Sakib Hassan. I hope you like the font in design. We are going to develop this chatting website. So let's start it. Now open your htdoc folder and you have to remove all the files and folder inside your htdoc folder. The htdoc folder should be empty. Now you have to download the Fontaine code. I have already uploaded it on GitHub. So please follow me. Open your browser and then try github.com/webrobotcode slash messenger. So here is our default. We have to extract it to htdoc folders. You have to select the htdoc folder locations like this htdoc folder and then press select folder. Well, we're done. Now extract it. It's take a while. We have done it. Let's check this in your htdoc folder. So we got the file. Let's cut all the file and paste it to your main htdoc folder. So like this, and now delete this folder. So we have done everything. Let's check it out. Open your browser and then run your localhost. Wow, it's working. It's login page. After logging, we get the main page. So here is the main page.